Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to solve this sum. We are going to draw sectional top view, sectional side view of this cone. Diagram is given like this: front view, top view in third angle. So first we will divide cone into 8 parts. Remember that cone doesn't have any edges, so we need to divide into 8 or 12 parts. After that we'll draw this generator. See this lines will draw it in front view, and we'll draw generators. After that you take 45 degree. You draw horizontal line. See, like this. And from here you draw vertical line. So now we are drawing side view. So now we'll do naming: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, O, M, axis. This is O dash. Same way we'll write A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash, H dash, O double dash, M double dash, A double dash, B double dash. So in side view we write double dash, in front view we write dash, and in top view without dash. Okay, now we'll see how many points we are getting. When you cut like this, see this, the cutting plane is inclined to horizontal plane or inclined to GL, whatever you want to say, and it is passing through the midpoint of the cone. This was a query, so since there was no detail as such, so I took cutting plane from the midpoint. Now see, whenever you cut base you get 2 points. So if you see, base is getting cut, so I will get 2 points. So that's what I have marked. I'll mark this as PU and PV, special point. Then I will extend this. So I'm getting point PE, PF and PD. Now what about this C and G? That you have to mark in side view. And then you have to project up, and then you can mark in top view. See, the center point which we can't mark straight, that we have to mark in side view, and then from side view you have to go in top view. These 2 points. Then you can join freehand all these points. See this is the center point. This is how we go about it. This is top view. This is PC, PD, PE, PF, PG. This is PE dash, PD dash, PF dash, PC dash, PG dash, and this is PU dash, PV dash. Now we take all these points in side view. What you need to do, you need to draw horizontal line, and wherever it will cut the respective edges. Generators. This is PE double dash. This is PF double dash and PD double dash. This is PC double dash, PG double dash. Now PU PV you won't get from top front view, so you have to do it from top view. This arrow I'm doing it for your understanding. In exam you don't have to draw these arrows. So whenever you don't get points from front view, you project from top view like this. Now join all these points. Draw horizontal line and draw tangent. And then you draw hatching. So we are done with sectional top view, front view and sectional side view. I hope you people have understood this sum. Thank you.